Hello guys.
Hi.
We're now in Osaka at the metro station. What is the name here? Jamba station.
Namba. Namba station.
Namba station. And we're gonna go out to find something to eat. It's a bit cloudy and rainy today. Yeah, but we're gonna enjoy it and find some good stuff to eat.
I'm so hungry. Let's go.
What are you up to?
Takoyaki and fish.
And fish.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go.
So I've been eating because I was so hungry, I couldn't wait.
So she couldn't wait to have it cold.
Yeah, it's really good. It's like very soft inside. And there's actually an octopus. Okay, this one I ate, so we can't try to show you this one here. Super soft, very flavorful, and there's an actual octopus inside this takoyaki here. It's very good.
So it's just not like mixed stuff all together. It's really with like species of seafood inside, which make the taste and very, very different.
And I think it's like really crispy outside and very soft inside. And the dough is very tasty. Like, it doesn't feel like flour. You don't taste that flour taste. And it's not too salty. And it's almost gingery actually. It's a ginger taste to it. It's like very good. Very delicious. I love it. So good. So good. So we got the original sauce and this is like sosu. That's how you say it. Yeah. But I think if you want hot sauce, you can say toro sauce. I think. Yeah.
Toro sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Toro sauce. I think. So maybe next time we'll get the hot sauce. This is really good. I'm just poking it so that the steam goes away.
Okay, so after that we're gonna try other foods. What do they have as a specialty here?
Okonomiyaki.
Okonomiyaki?
And I think, like, as I said, like they have the seafood is really good here. And I think it's just like a food town. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna try different stuff and show you guys what it looks and tell you how it tastes, so you can have an idea when you go there. So let's. Oh yeah. I'll wait a minute before trying mine. Yeah. So then. So we are at Okonomiyaki Tombe, and we're gonna make our own okonomiyaki. We got everything. We got the sauce. We got the menu. What do you think you're gonna get? The most famous one? The recommended one?
I don't mind getting the because you don't like the meats and stuff, right? You don't like those, so.
Modern.
Or we can get this one mixed yaki, which is okonomiyaki with pork, fish, and shrimp. Or which one do you want?
Oh. Let's choose and see. Like, there's a lot of good options. Let's choose and then try to make our own without doing a massacre out of it, right? I mean, I'm speaking for myself. I know I'm gonna make a massacre out of it. Okay, if you do a massacre out of it, I can say it was mine and I did it. Okay? Okay. Let's do this. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Yeah. Authentic one. It's delicious. Are you happy? So you want to be the first try?
Yeah.
You want to cut it? You want it on piece?
Oh, it's crispy outside. It's like a little pizza.
It is. It is like a Japanese pizza.
It's true.
It's true, right?
Oh my god, it's like so juicy inside. Oh my god, look at that. Look at the meat. I don't know if you can see.
No, I
There's
cannot
a shrimp. It's on this side of the thumbnail. There's a shrimp there. Big shrimp. But let me try this.
Okay. Go.
Pork up here, that's why I was
Yes.
like, I can cut it. Okay. So the pork is really well cooked. See that? Okay, that's why I see cut it.
So show me the inside.
This is pork, you see? And then stuff inside. I think that's the, oh yeah, octopus? Oh no, what is it?
No, shrimp.
Squid.
Is it the squid?
Yeah, the cuttlefish. Let's try this. Really hot.
Looks good. How is it delicious?